Okay, so this customer got a full wrap from us, and we are installing a beast bar into here. So he'll get a free Rgbw beast bar from the boring light. So here's our beast bar, pre-wired. These bars are fully plug and play, which means, let me get this. We're gonna make sure that goes behind that harness. Yep, there we go. It utilizes the factory 4-pin harness here. So your 48 volt, your ground, your CAN bus going into the light still function, which allows us to make sure you still have OEM functions too. So that means it's still going to retain like your DRL turn on, your unlock, lock. The difference is now you can change those animations that happen, you can change the colors, but the benefit is that they'll get now Rgbw LEDs. They can do their own light shows within the app. This harness here is so you can integrate the turn signal function. So this is an optional harness. If all they want is to get the Rgbw, all you have to do is just plug in this 4-pin harness and then they're good to go. So you only have to take off this fascia plate, plug this in, and they now have an Rgbw light bar. But we are going to be connecting the turn signals to this one. That way they can get the sequential turn signals added into this light bar. Adding this piece or wiring this up is going to require you to go to a pro shop. Catching turn signals in the Cybertruck is not easy. The frunk has to come out and you catch the signals inside the headlights there. Definitely not something that your normal DIY is going to want to do, but we're going to get this wired up and then we'll show you how it looks in just a second. Okay, we got everything wired up. Before the turn signal installation, you have to take the frunk out. There's some wiring, you gotta put them into the headlights. That's the only reason why we had to take the frunk apart. With this light bar, the only thing that has to be disassembled is just this front fascia here. You use the OEM plug it in, and it's good to go. So now we can go into our app that we have for the light bar, and we can turn on different show modes. So for this one, like a police scanner there, we've got this kaleidoscope. You can just do solid colors. I'm assuming for this one, we're gonna leave it red just because of particular wrap that we put on there. On this one, we've also got turn signals so that we wired them up. So turn signals are in the bumper and the light bar now. Just tight. If our customer just wants a normal white LED, we can do that too. Factory color LED, which will match the normal DRLs, low beams, high beam that's in the headlights. These are from the boring light. They're called the Beast Bar, fully plug and play. There's no one else offering a bar like this. There are other companies that offer an RGB light bar, but they do not retain the factory functions. They are not completely plug and play. Anybody can buy this light bar and install it.